Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tools. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can delete all your search history on Play Store. Okay, so go to your Play Store. I'm just gonna click my Play Store account and click here on your profile icon. This one, just click on this and click settings. This one. Then click general. This one. Then click account and device preference, the first option. Then scroll down, then you'll get here the option clear device search history, this one. So when you click there, and you'll get the pop-up, all searches you have made in Play on this device will be removed. So simply click clear history, and then your history will be clear. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this video.